There's even more. More exclusive racetrack design, more sophisticated driving performance, precision, and unbridled power. Today, we present to you the new limited special model BMW M4 CSL. And BMW M is making all this possible with less. That means less compromise, less restraints, and most of all, less weight. With a focus on lightweight construction, even further enhanced driving performance, and some very exclusive design highlights. And with a production volume limited to 1,000 units only, this new two-seater high-performance coupe stands for maximum desirability in a racetrack-ready BMW M road model. When we talk about lightweight construction, one key component comes to mind: carbon. And numerous exterior, but also interior parts are made of it and contribute to an overall weight reduction of around 100 kilograms compared to the rear-wheel drive BMW M4 competition. Here we see the bonnet, where the carbon fiber is partly visible. And then if we take a look at the carbon front splitter with the front spoiler lip and the carbon air intake, we see a reduced, even sportier CSL specific design. The roof is made of carbon, like on the BMW M4, as are the wing mirror caps. And on the rear, we find the carbon diffuser and the CSL exclusive carbon tailgate with the integrated ducktail spoiler. It finishes off aerodynamics ideally without the additional weight of a rear wing. All of this doesn't just make the BMW M4 CSL more agile to drive, but it also makes it look the part as well. Now, as a base for the uncompromised appearance, we have the understated cool body color in Alpine White, or also Black Sapphire Metallic. Or you can also choose the exclusive option in M Frozen Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Some sharp red lines as foiling stripes in the kidney frame and as outlines on the badging set distinctive highlights in racetrack design. The optional laser front lights with yellow icons and the standard LED taillights with special signatures, as well as the 19 and 20-inch 827M alloy wheels in matte black, make it ultimately clear this is not your regular BMW M4. The exclusive combination of performance-optimizing weight reduction and stunning looks continues inside the BMW M4 CSL. And if you're not convinced by now that this model is made for the racetrack, let me do so by telling you that the already high-performance M-Carbon bucket seat from the BMW M4 is not a standard here, but a no-cost option. For racetrack customers, the BMW M4 CSL comes with the M-Carbon full bucket seats. And their self-supporting carbon structure is only height adjustable by changing screw connections in the base. And they're suitable for 6-point harness integration with 2 stages of shoulder harness feed, and they have a removable head pad to make room for a helmet. They obviously offer high-performance ergonomics with ultimate lateral support, and they contribute to weight reduction by 15.5 kilograms compared to the M-Carbon bucket seats. The back seats are removed and replaced by a storage facility for a helmet, so there's another 20 kilograms less for you. Even the center console is lightweight, completely made of carbon, with a leather armrest and a stylish CSL logo. Its only concessions to convenient traveling technology are a wireless charging pad and 2 USB ports right over here. Now, of course, the standard cockpit surface trims are made of stylish and light carbon, and you handle this beast with the M Alcantara steering wheel with 12 o'clock marking, carbon inlays, and carbon shift paddles. But of course, these reduced and impressive looking masses only earn the CSL badge in combination with the appropriate M technology to move them. And to put it in a universal measurement of racetrack capability right away, the BMW M4 CSL is the fastest BMW ever to race the Nürburgring. And the inline 6-cylinder engine we know from the BMW M4 puts out 405 kilowatt in the BMW M4 CSL. Its 650 Newton meters of torque are transmitted with an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission only to the rear wheels, resulting in a sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in only 3.7 seconds. And the standard mDrivers package spurs the car to a top speed of 307 kilometers an hour. New engine and transmission mounts enable a new level of drivetrain stiffness and precision for maximum driving engagement. This is further backed up by enhanced body stiffness through the new M front end strut brace in cast aluminum under the bonnet. The front and rear axle of the BMW M4 CSL includes some specific parts in an exclusive, precise, and agile setup with an 8mm suspension lowering. And with track use, again taken as a standard, the model gets exclusive Michelin Cup 2R Ultra Track tires. So customers who want to drive predominantly on the road should go for the optional sports tires. The specifically set up M-Carbon ceramic brakes with red calipers complete the exclusive M4 CSL driving dynamics package on the component side, while the CSL version of the M traction control round off the high-performance track and street experience electronically. Of course, you can set it up and control it with M-Drive Professional as standard. And naturally, all this combined lightweight construction, precision, dynamics, and power resonate together more than appropriately through the exclusive titanium silencer and tailpipes in matte black and a CSL-only design of the M Sports exhaust system. Talk about a very special M experience. 1,000 produced units of the BMW M4 CSL will be available for a limited time period only. And for a special circle of BMW M lovers, the BMW M4 CSL will offer an incomparable high-performance driving experience on the road and a serious racing experience on the track.